Welcome back to the channel for another install video on our 22 WRX. Today we're going to be making the front end look a little bit better. We do have the Aeroflow Dynamics S-style lip. Let me show you that. I already have it unboxed over here. So as you can see right here, it is a 3-piece lip. So it actually does kind of clip together. And then on the back side, you can put the screws through to secure it. So it's kind of a cool design. I haven't had a 3-piece lip like this before, but so like if one of these break off, you could order just a standalone piece instead of a whole new lip to save some money. So the first thing that we have to do is connect all 3 pieces together. So in the hardware they gave you like long screws and short screws. We're going to use the short screws to assemble the lip. So there's 4 there. They give you 6 in the package just in case you lose 2 or anything happens. So let me get this flipped over and let me get you guys set up and we'll assemble this front lip. So one cool thing about this lip is I really like the gloss black on it. So I think it's going to go really well with the fog lamp bezels that we already have on it, because those are now gloss black as well. So let's see if we can get this mocked up. I'll get it like set up on like one of these stools over here, and let's see what this thing's going to look like. So there you have it, just getting it like mocked up. And it fits nicely in this little like groove right here. Lines up over there. Yeah, so I think this is going to be a really good fit. So they did give us additional hardware to screw it in. So they did just give us some self-tappers. So let's just get some of these secured. I'll get you guys set up and we'll start working our way around. We'll put like 1 on each corner and we'll go from there. All right, so we just have 2 screws in. We just have 1 right there. We just have the tape holding the front up. And the other one right here. So we kind of get how it's gonna look. I mean, fitment is really good. So once we get it all secured up, a couple more screws, we should be good to go. So let me get you guys set up and I'll get the other screws put in and then I will show you where I put each of the screws. 10 on fitment, 10 out of 10 on looks. I mean, and the price, I mean, I think it's like $200 now. I think when it was first released, it was like $180. I think it's about $200 right now. Still a steal. It looks amazing. So that's all I got for you guys on this one. Stay tuned for more 22 WRX content. See you next time.